Hi students. So today class we are going to enter into the 7th lesson, that is animal behavior. In last class we discussed sense organs, type of sense organs. In today's class, do animals also have a behavior? We have to think about it. What do you mean by animal behavior? We have a behavior. So how is that boy behavior is not good? That animal behavior is not good, character is not good. We will say like that. Do animals also have behave like human beings? So we will discuss this. There are so many questions is there in our minds. Like butterflies clustering on the flowers. What they will do, they will suck the juice. From where they will sucking the juice? Who taught to fish to swim in the water? From where they learn? And how this birds preparing their nest? Did they went any school? How? Once the chickens come out from the egg, they will walk directly. Nobody will tease them. Nobody will tease them. They will not go to the school. How they learn? How the ants find out the sugar present in the tin? Nobody will tease them. Hey ants, there is a sugar, go and eat. Nobody. These are the animal behaviors. We can see there are so many things we can learn from this lessons. Animal behaviors. What do we mean by animal behavior? Does animals also laugh like us? Yes or no? Yes. If you see once the Discovery Channel, you can see the plenty of animals in the Discovery Channel. There are so many people, they are doing experiment for months, for hours, they are waiting to capture their picture, to take the video of the animals. They will laugh, they will run, they will jump, they will cry, they will show their sadness. So like animals also having some feelings. When there is a dangerousness there, they will shout. You can see the roaring of the elephants, roaring of the lions, roaring of the tigers. When tigers attack the giraffes or any animals, they will run to protect themselves. They will show their feelings. When there is a danger, they will shed their tears to protect from the sharks, protect from the dangerous. They have to run very fast. So there are so many examples is there. So look at this animals' behaviors. So how birds will beautifully nest will prepared by the birds. See, have you saw the picture of the bird nest? So in villages, I saw this very beautiful bird's nest. I will never forget. Isn't it? Or else. Isn't it? You can see the beautiful house or nest of this prepared by the birds. It will be made up with not cement, not floors. So it will prepared by the dry grass. how beautifully it's made, it's prepared by the birds. You can see. So there is a door for the entry of these birds. There is a door. When you put your hands in the nest of the animals, nest of these birds, we can see there is a separate room like here. Another room. Here one room and here one room. Like there is a small gap is there between one room to the other room. How beautiful. So they will lay their eggs into this nest. Once the hatching will take place, so these birds will bring the food materials from the outside and they will feed their child, their offsprings. So the small babies will be fed by the mothers to the mouth. From the mouth, it will put the food materials in their offsprings. So this is the beautiful natural preparation of the house or nest of the birds. You can see the plenty of some ants. They will prepare the houses in the birds, like a preparation of spiders. Spiders spinning the web by the corner of the rooms. There are so many examples is there. Okay, have you saw the house of the crow? Natural predators. Crow, kaki, illu chusara eppadana? It's made up with some sticks. It's very ugly. It's looking very ugly. But then this sparrows, the small birds, they will prepare very beautiful house. So in today's class, we will discuss the introduction of this animal behaviors. So there are different types of animal behaviors is there. Different type of animal behavior. Different type of animal behaviors. What are they? First one is instinct behavior. The first one is instinctive behavior. Second one is imprinting. Second one is imprinting behavior. Third one is conditioning. Conditioning behavior. Last one is imitation. Imitation behaviors. Today we are going to discuss these two different types of behaviors, animals' behaviors. So I will give the definition of all the different types of these behaviors. What is instinct behavior? The behavior need not to be learned. The behavior need not to be learned. Such type of behavior is called as instinct behavior. The behavior that need not to be learned, such type of behavior is called as instinct behavior. Instinct behavior. For example, preparing of nest by the birds. They didn't went to school, they didn't learn how to prepare the houses. Swimming of fishes in the water. By birth they will swim. They never went to swimming school. Nobody teaches them, nobody taught them how to swim. The instinct behavior, they learn by birth itself only. For example, spiders spinning the web in the corners. Spinning in the web. Nobody taught them how to spin the web. So, such type of behavior are called as instinct behavior. The behavior need not to be learned. Need not to be learned. Such type of behavior are called as instinct behavior. In human beings also we can see reflex arc. So this reflex arc also comes under the instinct behavior. Reflex arc. What is this reflex arc? For example, if you touch any hard substances, iron or current wires or any pans hard substance, we will remove immediately from that place. It's an instinct behavior. No need to tease them if you touch. So no need to tease them. By birth we learn if you touch, so it is dangerous. That's why we will remove the hands, legs, whatever we have. It's the instinct behavior. Reflex also it's one type of instinctive behavior. No need to learn. Then what is imprinting? What is imprinting? You might have observed the types of situations like chickens and ducks. When chicks come away from the eggs, nobody will tease them. They will imprint, they will follow their mothers. Chicks, they will follow their mothers. Ducks follow their mothers. They are imprinting. They will identify their parents. They will identify their mothers. It's a imprinting. It's a imprinting. So, for example, if hen ducks or chickens following their parents, if one small chick is following, every chicks will run toward their mothers. If there is a danger to the wings, it will protect all the chicks. So from the animals, from the eagles, from the any dangers is there, it will protect from the dangers. Their mothers will protect from the dangers. My question is, why chicks will go front of their mothers? Why ducks, babies will go, they will follow their mothers? Have you got this question? Chickens and chicks, babies will go front of our mothers, but this duck, if the mother is going in the front, all the small ducks will be follow their mother. But the chicken will go before the mothers will go. What is the reason? కోడి పిల్లలు ముందు వెళ్తా ఉంటాయి, డక్స్ పిల్లలు వెనకాల ఫాలో అవుతా ఉంటాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్? Do you remember that? Because this ducks always says back. So what is the sound of the duck? It will say back. So it means back. That's why ducks babies always back side of the ducks. Chicken, they will follow them. It's a smart jokes. Okay. So this is the instinct behavior need not to be learned. So imprintings, duckling they follow their parents, chickens follow their parents, their imprints. So what is conditions behavior? Condition. So the behavior need to be learned. The behavior need to be learned. Such type of behavior is called as conditioning behavior. What is the last one? Imitation. They have to imitate each other. One animals will imitate another animals. What is conditioned behavior? For example, if morning 8:15 or 8:30 the bell rings, so what is your observation? You have to come into the class. It's a learned behavior. If at 10:30 bell rings, what do you think? Oh, so this is for the break. If bell rings at 1 o'clock, then you think this is about the lunch time. When the bell rings at 5 o'clock, you think this is going house from school to the house. It's a conditioned behavior. It's a learned behaviors. Ivan Pavlov, scientist, the one who did experiment on the dog. Every day he is going to offer the food to the dog. Offer the food to the dog. Every day, when he is going to offer the food, he is going to ring the bell. Then he offered the food to the dog. Like it's like trained. This dog is trained, like it's learned, like it's a conditioned behavior every day. In the morning, for example, 9 o'clock, bell rings. He offered the food to the dogs. What dog imaginated? When bell rings, dog thinking that okay, food is going to offer me. It's a learned behavior. It's a conditioned behavior. What happens after a few days? When his bell rings, even though food is not offered, even though food is not given to the dog, also it started thinking, okay, food is coming. The food is going to offer me. It started releasing saliva into their mouth. Releasing saliva into their mouth. This type of behaviors we can see in the conditioning behavior. Conditioning. Ivan Pavlov, the one who did the experiment on the dog of the conditioned behaviors. Even the bell is ring, the saliva started stimulating, releasing in the mouth of the dog because he thinking that food is going to offer us. It's a learned behavior. It's a learned behavior. Last one is imitation. One animals will imitate other animals. Chimpanzees will imitate another chimpanzees. Monkey will imitate other monkeys. Imitations. If one monkey jump from here to here, another monkeys will look, hey, I will also jump, he will also jump. If one chimpanzee is taking like whatever may be, like stick, another chimpanzee look, it will also take a stick. If one monkey or chimpanzees sucking the juice from the stick, another chimpanzee also there. They imitate each others. The animals will imitate each others. One animals will follow another animals. Chimpanzees imitate other chimpanzees. Monkeys imitate other monkeys. Have you seen that monkeys, if you do like this, monkeys also will do like this. If you eat banana, they will also eat bananas. They will take the bananas, they will come and they will catch the bananas from the roadside. If you go to the Narsapur highway, so we can see the plenty of monkeys there. So these animals will follow, they will imitate each other. This is about 4 different types of animal behaviors. One is instinct behavior, imprinting, conditioning behavior, imitation behavior. The behavior need not to be learned. Imprinting. Chickens follow their parents, duckling follow their parents. It's imprints. Conditioned behavior. The behavior, learned behavior. Learned behavior is called as conditioning behavior. So the last one is imitations. Chimpanzees will imitate other chimpanzees. Animals will imitate other animals. This is about animal behaviors. Okay, today homework. Write the 4 different types of animals behaviors and you have to explain it. Simply, what is instinct behavior? Example. What is imprinting? Example. What is conditioning? Examples. What is imitations? Example. Write about these 3 different types of animals behavior. Okay? Thank you, students.